The front emblem of the S-Class has been upgraded to the AMG badge. Many car enthusiasts choose to upgrade this into the Maybach emblem for a more luxurious and elegant look. But to make it cooler, we picked the AMG badge. More than just that, the AMG night package shines brightly, which includes smoked headlights, smoke turn signals, smoke taillights, and a blackout grille, all complementing each other. The original wheels have been upgraded to AMG wheels, forming an overall consistency. At the rear, we installed an easy pack for quick loading of the trunk, which adds to the already large storage space. With this easy pack, you can better organize items such as documents or children's toys, keeping them separate from other items to prevent contamination. How would you rate this modification in the scale of 0 to 10? It's often said that opening the door of a Mercedes signifies stepping into a successful lifestyle. The retractable sensor door handle gives a welcoming handshake-like sensation as you approach. The surrounded ambient light system adjusts colors and dynamics based on the fragrance, music style, and weather conditions. Rotating tweeter from the A-pillar paired with piano lacquer panels is quite appealing. Mercedes fragrance not only smells pleasant but also embodies an elegant style, enhancing the driving experience. Everyone desires entertainment in the rear of an S-Class, so we upgraded the rear entertainment screen, allowing passengers to elevate the overall experience. Not only the front but even the rear seats are equipped with memory, heating, and ventilation functions, which can be controlled either through physical buttons or the central touch screen. You could notice that we've upgraded the audio system to a high-quality thermistor, featuring a thin design for easy installation inside the car. This is no longer just an ordinary Mercedes S-Class. It's a unique and personalized vehicle. While maintaining the executive style of it, it has been enhanced with many stylish elements. If you have better modification suggestions, feel free to comment. And if you appreciate our customization plan, remember to subscribe us. Elevate your drive, define your style.